Okay, look at this picture I drew. It's the plane. It's the XY coordinate system. It has a vertical y-axis, a horizontal x-axis. It has a point B living on the y-axis. It has a point A living on the x-axis. And then I drew a point, a dot. That represents the point xy equals A for the x coordinate and B for the y coordinate, because that's the location. It describes the location of the point. Okay, now consider the idea behind equations in two variables. It's this. An equation in two variables requires two variables in the equation. Why? Because each ordered pair, xy, represents a solution to the equation. So when you graph a picture of an equation with two variables, you're actually graphing a picture of the ordered pair solutions to that equation. You're graphing ordered pairs that satisfy that equation. Okay? So in this example, given an equation in two variables, so here's an equation. Y parenthesis x squared plus 1 equals the number 1. Find, are these points in the graph? In other words, in the graph of the solution. And the ordered pairs I want you to check are the ordered pairs 1, 1, 1, 1/2, -1, 1/2. Okay, we're going to do this one at a time. Let's start with the first one. We're going to check xy equals 1, 1. Is that a point on the graph? Well, the way you check it is you plug x equals 1 and y equals 1 into the given equation and see if it makes both sides equal. In other words, does it satisfy the equation? Well, that's what I'm doing here. I'm simplifying. I get 2. That's not equal to the other side, 1. So the answer is no. No what? No, the ordered pair 1, 1 is not a point on the graph. Now let's check to see if the next point, 1, 1/2, is a point on the graph. xy equals 1, 1/2. Okay, now to check this, we're going to take the original equation, let x equal 1 and let y equal 1/2. So we get 1/2 times parenthesis 1 squared plus 1 close parenthesis. Is that equal to 1? When we simplify, we get 1/2 times 2. Is that equal to 1? Well, the 2's cancel on the top and bottom. We get 1 is equal to 1, so therefore the answer is yes. Yes what? Yes, the ordered pair xy equals 1, 1/2 is a point on the graph of that given equation. Now, let's check the last one. Let's check xy equals the ordered pair -1, 1/2. Just plug those values in, 1/2 for y and -1 for x. Plug it into the given equation and simplify it. Okay, simplifying -1 squared gives me a positive 1. So in the parenthesis, we have 1/2 parenthesis 1 plus 1. Is that equal to the other side? 1. So that's 1/2 times 2. Is that equal to 1? Well, yeah, the 2's cancel top and bottom. We get 1 equals to 1. And that means yes. Yes what? Yes, the ordered pair -1, 1/2 does represent a point on the graph. And why is that again? Because it satisfies the given equation.